Good morning to you all. Yeah, I'm still a bit browned off with the dull weather. I said the shortest day was in fact yesterday. I was wrong. It's today, 22nd, shortest day. Ugh, how I detest Christmas, I'm sorry. Never liked Christmas. From when my mother died during a Christmas time when I was a kid. She died because someone in the hospital didn't protect her, putting a coat on her, and she got a chill which killed her. That was at a home in Buckingham, I think. It was called Maids Morton. I don't know much about it. I was only a kid at the time, but I was told that that's what killed her. So no, Christmas has got nothing but bad memories to me. This year I've tried to make the best of it. Also, if I'm going to get a bug, yes, it's during this time of year. And yeah, I've got a bug. Also, I was given the wrong pills. I say the wrong pills. Don't know what it was, but I know it didn't agree with me. So I stopped taking them. When you're suddenly told to take a pill and you don't have any feedback or anything about why it's being done, and I was told to take this pill, it's a yellow pill. I've forgotten the name of it, and I can probably find it. I'm not very good at remembering names of things. I don't know. But what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to settle the stomach down if you've got a chance of making an acidic stuff in the stomach. Well, I've never had, as I say, indigestion is something I very rarely get. And I was starting to take these pills and I felt like death warmed up. So I've just stopped taking them. I'm a little bit cross because no one told me why I'm to take these pills. It was only after I had a little look at the computer to tell me what that pill was. And it appears that they are prescribed for a short period, and that's not a lifetime period. And it's when you get a lot of acid in the stomach. You obviously know when you've got this, and you take the pill then, but not every day. So no, I stopped taking that. Anyhow, let me get back to why I made this little video. It's only a short one, and as you probably notice, I've got two telephones of approximately the same age, 1940s, 50s, a year I know very well. On the right we got the good old Lucy phone. This was the phone that Lucille Ball often used on her TV programmes, and it got nicknamed the Lucy phone. On the left you've got a phone which I put up just the other day, Northern Electric, which was manufactured for non-Bell system and was using a British dial. There's the American type of dial. So the one on the right was from America, the one on the left was from Canada. Now, I wondered why they had to change the dial to to the British type of dial to be used in Canada. I know now why. It's something I knew years and years and years ago. When I first joined BT, we had lessons and various things, and one of the little programs we had was, why was the American dialing so much faster than the British? Well, let me see what I mean. It's all down to the IDP, or the InterDigital Pools, and that is the time. That's the InterDigital Pool, and what it means that when a selector has been operated, the time lag of this InterDigital Pools is sufficient for the selector to release. In America, the time is much shorter, and these are, as I say, the IDP, InterDigital Pulse. So on American dials, this is the type of dial you would find with the numbers and the finger stop much closer. On the British dial, or the dial they use in Canada, the IDP is slightly longer. Now the reason for this, and I didn't know this until very recently, reading up on the Rotary Phones Forum, is that Canada, I suppose because they are a British colony, used equipment for telephones, private telephones I might say, and they used British equipment, and so the British equipment worked properly. They had to have a British dial. There's the dial there, as I say, that is fitted on this Northern Telecom phone. Not all parts of Canada had the English exchange systems, but some of them did. But that, believe it or not, is more or less the reason why phones used in Canada, which was using the English equipment, used the British type of dial. And it's all down to the InterDigital Pools, IDP. And that is the time that the selector releases and gets back to its normal position. And the time on that is obviously long enough. On this phone, it probably isn't. Well, that would probably indicate why, answering the question, why American phones much faster to dial. In the old films you'd see dialing them very fast, and that is one of the main reasons. It's all down to the InterDigital Pools. Now, this is the only video I'm doing today. I'm taking the day fairly easy. As I say, I don't feel 100% well. I'm dreading Christmas Day. To my mind, it's not a happy time. It reminds me of my mother, or the loss of my mother, and that stupid attendant who killed her in Maids Morton convalescent home all those many years ago. I was about 8 or 9 at the time, so it was a few years ago. I don't even know if Maids Morton is still going, but it was due to the fact that she should have been covered up, being wheeled out, I presume, to an ambulance to come back to England, or not back to England, back to home, which was from I think it was in Buckingham. And anyhow, she didn't make it because of this stupid idiot. A little anecdote. Well, it happens to be true, so you know that is my story there. So once again, thanks for any questions, please ask. But that is the reason dials used in Canada were an English dial, and in America it was that dial. It's all down to the IDP, InterDigital Pools. Thanks for listening. Once again, happy Christmas to you all. And as I said, don't eat too much, drink too much, and you should be okay. Thanks again. Thank you.